If you are looking to turn a TRS microphone like this little lapel microphone here with this TRS end into a microphone that can go into devices that can send audio and take a microphone in, this is the product for you. This is the TRS female end to TRRS male end adapter. Now, how this thing works is it takes this TRS end, you plug it in here, and I need a USB-C adapter here. And what I can do is when I plug this in, this is an Action 5, I plug this into this camera, give it just a second, and look, you can see audio metering at the top there. But if I try to plug this lapel mic here into this adapter without this TRS to TRRS converter, check this out. There is absolutely no audio signal coming in. Why? It's because the camera isn't recognizing that this thing is actually a microphone, because you need that extra ring on here. So this solves that issue for if you want to use this thing like a lapel mic with an action camera or any other device that does a similar thing to the action camera. This thing is a lifesaver. So if that's what you're trying to do, I highly recommend this to you.